Actually, that's a good question. So, 4-step. What do the first step? Non-hydrogen, non-oxygen. So that's iodine in this case. I've had 2. We skip hydrogen and oxygen since that doesn't exist in the first. Okay. Electrons used to balance charge. I have -1 and I have 2 of them, so I will need 2 electrons to make both charge 0. Yeah, I figure out most people are confused on this part. But it's okay. All right, the second part could be a little bit tricky because non-hydrogen, oxygen, so I have 1 each. Okay, that's good. I have oxygen, 4 of them, so I will need 4 oxygen. Okay, and since I have introduced the 4 oxygen, so here 4 times 2 equals to 8 hydrogen. On this reactant side, I will need 8 hydrogen. Okay, here could be the tricky parts based on your electrons. So we're doing a redox and we'll go over whichever question you have after this, okay? So on the product side, there are only 2, +2. And on the reactant side, it's +8. We'll need to make the whole charge of here back to +2. Did you see the point? So here, the total charge, okay. So I need to make the total charge with whatever electrons after being added, okay, into 2. So +2 equals to what I have here, -1, that's from permanganate, and add +8 and add whatever electrons. Each electron is 1 negative, right? I'll make the whole thing to +2. Did you see the point? Okay, so what's the electron I should have? +2. Because each electron is -1, right? So I will need 5 electrons, so that's 5 -1 to make +2. Total charge is +2. Makes sense now? Okay, we'll go over worksheet 3, question 17C. It's a balanced reaction, but it's a redox. So I think it's a good way to practice writing half. The first one is easier, but we can practice with the second, see if you can get this. Yeah, we're talking about the charge now. Yeah.
So +2 is the total charge of the product side, right?
Yeah, because you only have this +2.
Okay.
And then in order to make the reactant side total charge +2, I need to fill in 5 electrons. Because that's +8 minus 1, that's +7. So I still need 5 electrons, each one take -1 to get to total charge of +2. Make sense? Good?